What creatine does to your muscle gains among all the supplements out there. One of the few that's backed with an overwhelming amount of research is creatine. Many studies have shown that it is effective in improving the rate of strength, leading to muscle gains. In fact, it's considered a fundamental supplement in the fitness and bodybuilding industries, compared to just training alone. Creatine can double your lean muscle gains and strength. Thus, if you're on the lookout for great muscle booster supplements, creatine is a no-brainer. Interestingly, only some know how to take creatine to maximize its effectiveness. For today's video, we will delve deeper into what creatine is, how it can lead to muscle growth, and how to take it, so make sure you stay tuned to what is creatine. Some of you probably aren't aware of this, but creatine is actually found in the muscle cells and other organs. Its most known function is to help you gain muscle, and hence, strength and boost your workout performance. It can produce this natural substance from two amino acids, glycine and aragonite. Therefore, if you're worried about taking something foreign, you don't need to, because it's something about your body has already met. How does it influence muscle growth? There are only a few legal supplements that are directly associated with muscle mass. It has proven even more so when combined with exercise of all those supplements. Creatine to be the most effective and has the most scientific support and research. According to a study, creatine increases muscle mass when incorporated into your exercise regimen. You can gain more strength on the bench press and a reduction in myostatin, which is a protein that hinders muscle cell growth. Also, creatine can benefit both beginners and more advanced weightlifters. One study has shown that well-trained athletes gain 2.6 kilograms of muscle mass, 32 kilograms to the light press and 11 kilograms to the bicep curl. Besides, taking creatine can help reduce body fat by 3.2%. How should you take creatine? There are several forms of creatine. There are 3 general ways of taking creatine. Number 1. First, take around 20 grams per day for 5 to 7 days. Number 2. After that period, reduce your intake to 3 to 5 grams a day to maintain the elevated creatine stores. Number 3. You can also take 3 to 5 grams of creatine daily from the start. If you want number 3, you can schedule your creatine intake on and off for a few weeks at a time. According to research, following methods 1 and 2 result in the same effect as increasing muscle creatine content. On the flip side of loading creatine first method, 1 does it faster. Simply put, if you wish to experience faster ergogenic effects, the loading method might be ideal for you. What are its others benefits? Outside muscle gains enhances strength, and power increases. The water content of your muscle cells reduces muscle breakdown. And keep muscle during exercise boosts your ability to perform more exercises, and lift heavier weights per workout session. If you have questions about the video, comment. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more interesting facts on the human body, to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.